Hello everybody, it's Kristin Richardson here and my son Finn. I'm a qualified naturopath and nutritionist, and today we're going to show you how to make one of our favorites, raw cheesecake treat. And this one is going to be a strawberry and vanilla one. So Finn is helping me. We're going to need some almonds soaked. They're going to go in the food processor. Switch it on, blitz it. Be a good idea to switch the food processor on. Okay, we're adding dates and 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. Oh, can you reach? 1, 2. That's it. Oh. Closing it again. Yeah, our mixture, when it's nice and sticky, goes into our pan, our cake tin. Now we press that down. Finn, you press that down. It's like a dry cookie dough mixture. We press it down nice and firm, and then that goes into the freezer for a few minutes whilst we're making the topping. And I want to show it first. Okay, let's go and show. That's what it looks like. And we pop it in the freezer now. You want to do that? Okay. The next bit we're going to do soaked. Yeah, what are they?
Nuts.
Cashew nuts, aren't they? They're soaked. Pour those in.
Now we put the lid on.
Yeah, right. We need some vanilla essence, just a little bit. Yeah. Hold it high up. A tablespoon. There you go.
Now we put the lid on.
I'm going to put some strawberries in.
Now we put the lid on.
1 second. Lemon juice. Good. That's enough. Like a tablespoon. Right. We need some 75 milliliters.
Makeup syrup.
Maple syrup. There we go. Yeah. And then warm melted coconut oil.
On a stove.
Some coconut water or water if you don't have any. And then mix it.
Now let's taste.
Let's taste it.
Good.
Good. So now you take your beautiful cashew strawberry cream, pour it onto your cake base. What do you think, Finn? Is it yummy?
No. Yeah.
This goes to freeze now in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Then we have a few strawberries to decorate it with, and we're done. We hope you enjoy that and you have some nice healthy treats this Easter weekend. Happy Easter!